What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. I may hope some point this thing will get used at some point this weekend. I may hope so because I like the machine, you can see, because that's how much I expected this machine to go with. But don't surprise the things that you're going to get used almost like quite a bit. But I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year. Because I do like this machine, because even though this thing's been used almost a couple times already this season, which I know since the year I expected this thing to go, I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year. It will get used this year, like I promise you this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly what. I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point. But this is a pretty nice looking machine, my thing. I do like this thing a lot because you see how much this is a 2024 model. So this thing came out last year, which it's definitely I expected this thing to take, because I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because you know I know how I expect this thing. But this is a pretty nice looking hand push washer in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you see how I expected this thing exactly, which is not a bad looking machine in my opinion. But definitely how I expected this machine here exactly, which is definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which it's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. I promise you this thing, fingers crossed, I hope this thing will get used this year.